while most gurus out there are telling you that dropshipping and e-commerce is dying, some would say that we're going into a renaissance of e-commerce here. And not just any renaissance, a live stream renaissance. So in today's video, I want to talk about this $25 billion market that's basically brand new that we all need to be taking advantage of. So as you see from this headline here on Business Insider, Facebook may be canceling its live shopping. They tried something like that, but business owners aren't giving up on the $25 billion market. Here's how the US is entering a live stream renaissance and what entrepreneurs need to know. So just to go over this and summarize this real quick for you, because I'm trying to save you time here. Obviously Facebook wasn't going to work with something like this. Facebook is basically dying in terms of user base. Yes, they're making a ton of money on ad revenue, but they don't have the same sort of viral organic reach that, for example, TikTok does. Now, they say that they're doing this to focus on Reels instead, which is a good move. But just because Facebook is not doing it anymore doesn't mean that it's not a crazy booming trend that's about to happen. So live stream shopping has been popular in China for over a decade, and the live stream shopping industry last year was estimated to be worth $305 billion, up from $63 billion in 2019. So it's going up exponentially. So what does this live shopping renaissance mean? So they say business owners had two options in this environment. They can continue using the social media platforms that host live shopping, or use one of the many apps like TalkShop Live, Comments Sold, or Bambuster to integrate with Shopify and give business more control over data. So these are some interesting ones to note. I haven't heard of anybody using these, so maybe there's an untapped opportunity there. This is going to be a renaissance for the next 6 to 12 months. I wouldn't be surprised if at some point a few of them get acquired by some of the major platforms. Now, in my opinion, the best place to be taking advantage of this new renaissance that's about to happen is through TikTok, but not exclusively TikTok. You could do this on Instagram as well. Instagram has a really good live feature, but as you see, a lot of people are going live on TikTok, and I've seen so many people actually pushing products on here. Like they said on there, it's only a matter of time before people start doing live streams promoting certain products. So that's why I'm here to cover this right away. I'm trying to lob the ball here for you guys so you can dunk it. I think a lot of you could actually take advantage of this information. It's no secret that people do love to watch live streams. That's why platforms like Twitch are so big. It's part of the reason why Andrew Tate blew up so much. So it doesn't take a genius to see that commerce and live streaming will end up meshing here in the West as well. So how can you position for it? Well, again, make a TikTok account, make an Instagram account for your brand. Watch some of my case study videos because I always give you trends that you can get started in. So pick a trend that you like that looks really good. Start your TikTok, start your Instagram, and start posting a ton of organic content with your product, and then start live streaming your product, and then get influencers to start live streaming with your product. And obviously use the Shopify link in the description to start a Shopify store for free. Shopify is just the best place to build your store. I'm still shocked that some people use Wix and WooCommerce. Like, I've had some clients for our agency that use those, and I always recommend that they move to Shopify because Shopify is just conversion optimized and they're just killing it. So use the link in the description and start taking advantage of this trend, because just like that article said, I truly think that this is going to be a renaissance period for the e-commerce space. So with that said, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. That's all I got. Just thought this was interesting and wanted to share it with you all. Hope you have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.